Sometimes plants display subtle warning signs before the disease becomes more severe. This condition is commonly associated with Peronosclerospora sorghi, the pathogen responsible for downy mildew in corn. Some common symptoms include white, downy fungal growth develops on both the upper and lower surfaces of infected leaves. Yellow to pale streaks often appear along the leaves as the disease progresses. The stem internodes become shortened, causing affected plants to appear stunted and wilted. Downy mildew may also develop on the green, unopened bracts surrounding the male flowers before tasseling. Infected tassels often become malformed and may produce leaf-like structures of varying sizes instead of developing normally. This disease is often encouraged by conditions such as Peronosclerospora sorghi survives between growing seasons as spores in the soil and as dormant fungal structures within infected seed. After infecting a susceptible plant, the fungus grows inside plant tissues before producing conidia that emerge through the leaf stomata. These spores are then spread by wind and splashing rain, allowing the disease to spread rapidly under favorable environmental conditions. Many growers choose to begin with natural approaches such as plant disease-resistant or hybrid corn varieties whenever possible, as they provide one of the most effective methods for reducing the risk of downy mildew infection. If the disease becomes more severe, additional treatments may include, whenever possible, combine preventive practices with integrated disease management strategies. Seed treatment with systemic fungicides containing active ingredients such as metalaxyl and mancozeb can help protect young plants from early infection and reduce diseases establishment. To help reduce future outbreaks, maintain good field sanitation by removing infected plants and crop residues. Deep plowing can help bury infected material and reduce surviving spores. Rotate corn with non-host crops such as legumes to interrupt the disease cycle and lower the risk of future infections. In summary, affected plants develop yellow streaks on the leaves, along with white, downy fungal growth. The stems become shortened, resulting in stunted, weakened plants with abnormal tassel development. Follow the channel for more practical tips on protecting your plants and keeping crops healthy.